Okay, these are the 5 laser marking machine parts for 100A this model. And this is screws. And this part is the lens, power adapter, lift column. And this part is galvanometer. Look, this is eternal red light switch. And this 2 part is the external red light. This is our main machine. This part including laser, control card, PC system. Fiber laser marking machine, the main parts, how to connect with it. Let me introduce to you. And first, this part, computer status switch. And when you pull the switch down, that machine you can connect with just a PC screen or monitor. That's okay. No need to connect with the computer. Well, you pull the switch up, and at this status, you can connect with the PC. And these 2 parts, usually you no need to use it, so let's ignore it. And this part is the rotary attachment connect parts. When you buy the rotary attachment for marking rings, and you just need to connect this part. If you didn't buy it, just ignore this part. For this, just connect the scanner. You can see scanner connect area. And this part is for connecting the power adapter. This part is for foot control connect area. We will send you a foot control parts. You can connect this area. This area usually we have no need to pay attention to that. Just ignore it. And this part just for connecting the monitor or PC screen. This area is for cables connecting. This area just connect keyboard, mouse, USB disk. Okay, finally, the 2 holes, if you want to listen some music or just connect a headphone. That's all. Thank you. Okay, now this machine assembly is already okay. Now we connect with the other part. First is the computer monitor. Connect first. Okay. Second part is connect with the scanner. This is a scanner connector area. And this is power adapter connect area. Okay, the mainly connector job is already finished, and the rest part is the USB mouse keyboard area, connect area. It's very easy. What you need is just connect it. This is for cables. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching. Bye.